Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, our currency is on the fast elevator up today as the reflation trade picks up too. But first, mortgage applications fell away sharply last week in the US, held back by rising interest rates, especially the 30-year fixed. The weather isn't being mentioned as a reason for it, but it must have had some impact, in Texas at least. And sales of new homes are staying high in the US, up 19% in January from the year-ago level. New home sales make up 17% of their annual real estate transactions, but you would have thought this strong driver would be keeping mortgage application levels up, but they aren't. And Taiwanese export orders are up a remarkable 49% in January on a year-on-year basis. That is much better than expected and better again than the huge December outcome. By any measure, this has to be the most successful pandemic recovery stat anywhere. In Hong Kong, they are hiking taxes with their first rise in stamp duty in 18 years, which sent their share market tumbling by the most in 5 years. It's all part of paying for a stimulus program in the city that comes after 2 years of recession. Even with this, Hong Kong is budgeting on a deficit equivalent to 4.8% of GDP. And China is launching a wave of infrastructure projects totaling $5.3 trillion as part of a broader effort to stimulate consumption and growth. This new and enormous program is getting little attention in the West, but it is a world-scale stimulus event, and it is more than double the US Biden plan of $2.5 trillion. Commodity prices are rising faster overnight, with copper prices now at a decade high and nearly at their all-time high. Iron ore prices are moving up again. And the US Treasury 10-year yield is up 2 basis points at 1.38% today. And the price of gold will start today down $7 at $1,801 an ounce. Oil prices are up by about $1.50 and are now just over $63 a barrel in the US, while the international price is just over $66 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens at 74.1 US cents today, up 3/4 cent from this time yesterday. This is its highest in more than 3.5 years and is up 2 cents in just 1 week. Against the Australian dollar, we're up as well, holding at 93.3 Australian cents. And against the euro, we're up to 61 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is now up to 75 and a 4.5-year high. It's been a dramatic rise overnight. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.